Hey guys, welcome back to the Notes Trend video. Guys, in this video we will discuss that when you update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS 18 version, and then guys you may face a problem that you may unable to install apps. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, first of all you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys you make sure that you have an active internet connection. So simply if you are connected Wi-Fi, you may click here on Wi-Fi, and here is the option of your Wi-Fi name. So you may click here, click on forget this network and connect it again. Or if you are connected on mobile data, you may click here on mobile services, and you may click here on mobile data and turn this on. Then click on mobile data options. So you may click here and you may select 4G from here. Then you may scroll it down, and here is the option of VPN. If there is a connected VPN, you may disconnect it. Then click here on general and click here on software update, and here is the option of beta updates. So you may turn this off and you may update your iPhone to official version. Then guys you may scroll it down, and guys here is the option of background app refresh. So you may turn this on. Then you may click here on date time and click on set, automatically turn this on. After this, here the option of transfer or reset iPhone, click here, click on reset and click on reset network settings. After this guys, you may go back and you may just restart your device and check that your problem will be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed by all these methods, then guys you may go back and you may just scroll it down, and here is the option of screen time. So you may click here and click on content and privacy restrictions. So click here and turn this off, and then guys you may check your problem will be fixed, and your apps will be downloaded, and you can download or install any app in your iPhone easily. So if your problem is still not fixed, also then guys you may click here on settings again and click here on general and click here on iPhone storage and check your storage. If you have not enough storage, then you may face a problem that you will not be able to download or install apps. So you may delete any app or photos or videos, and you may get more space and you can install apps easily. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.